Hello everyone, welcome. Sharing here the cloud computing basic concepts. So, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of IT services like compute, networking, and storage on demand with pay as you go pricing over the internet. And these services can be accessed by any device from anywhere using the internet access. And instead of having own servers and data centers, one can access the IT services such as computing, network, storage, and databases from a cloud provider like AWS, Azure, and Google. Now we look into cloud characteristics. According to NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology, there are 5 essential characteristics. We start with resource pooling. That is, the provider allocates portions of the pool to different consumers. The next one is on demand self service. Using the on demand self service, consumers able to provision and manage the resources from the pool themselves. The next one, broad network access. All resources are available over a network. The next one, rapid elasticity. Consumers can expand or contract the resources they use from the pool, that is provisioning and deprovisioning. The next one is measured service. Consumers pay only for what they use. So these are the cloud characteristics. Now we look into cloud service models. There are 3 cloud service models. The one is infrastructure as a service, next one is platform as a service, and software as a service. Next, we look into the features and benefits of these cloud service models. Infrastructure as a service features. Infrastructure as a service provides access to networking, computers, and data storage space. Infrastructure as a service provides customer more flexibility and management control than platform as a service and software as a service. Cloud provider maintains and controls the underlying architecture. The customer do have limited control over network components under infrastructure as a service. The benefits of infrastructure as a service are scalability and flexibility, high availability, reduced capital expenditure or cost of ownership of physical hardware, metered usage, and increased performance. Some examples are AWS EC2, Google Compute Engine, and Rackspace. Platform as a service features are cloud provider is responsible for the operating system and hosting environment, including libraries, services, and tools. Customer is responsible for deploying their applications within the provided platform infrastructure. Cloud provider is responsible for patching and deploying systems. Auto scaling. And finally, flexibility and choice of hosting environment. The benefits of platform as a service are auto scaling, multiple host environments, choice of environments, flexibility, ease of upgrades, and cost effectiveness. The examples are AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Heroku, Windows Azure, Force.com, and OpenShift. The features of software as a service are cloud provider supplies a full cloud platform and the software application to the customer. Provider is responsible for maintaining entire system and all underlying infrastructure. Customer provisions user access and permissions to data for their requirements. The lowest support requirements for the customer, and customer has limited configuration options. The benefits of software as a service are reduced support costs and efforts, reduced overall costs, reduced software licensing kind of efforts and expenses, and ease of use and administration, better standardization, fewer issues. Some examples are Google Apps, Dropbox, Salesforce, BigCommerce, and MailChimp. Finally, we look into cloud deployment models. There are four deployment models according to NIST. The first one is public cloud. Under this, cloud infrastructure is available to the public. Next one is private cloud. Under private cloud, cloud infrastructure is for a single organization. The next one is community cloud. Under this, cloud infrastructure is shared by several organizations. The last one is hybrid cloud. Under this, cloud infrastructure is a composition of two or more clouds, that is private, community, or public. Thank you very much for watching Cloud Computing Basic Concepts.